So here in our glass slipper sales spreadsheet, we want to total the quarterly sales for each quarter in the year. So we start out by making our cell that we want to put the answer in, or in this case, the total, our active cell. All cells begin with an equal sign, and instead of referring to the cell by the contents of the cell, we're going to refer to the cell by the cell name. Okay, and because adding numbers is something that happens so commonly in Excel, we actually have a shortcut button for it. If you look up here on the toolbar, you're going to see you have AutoSum. By default, Excel looks to the left to see if there are any numbers to add, or looks to the top. And if it finds cells with numbers in it, it will include that in your formula. So we're saying equals because all formulas begin with the equal sign. We want to sum, and sum is the name of a function in Excel. We want to sum cells B6, colon means through cell B9. We see the marching ants around the cell range. All we have to do is press enter. And we want to copy this total over to the other cells. And because our cell is selected, we're set up pretty well here. You have a little handle at the bottom right. If we move the cursor over the handle, we get a black plus. We can then copy and paste the cell over to include cell E10 for quarter 4 and release the mouse button. And look at that. If you check out the formula in each of the cells, Excel was smart enough to update the range of cells being totaled. And that is how you use the AutoSum feature in Excel. Thank you for watching this demonstration on the AutoSum function in Excel.